Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're on board the Carnival Paradise, taking a look at inside stateroom R107. Whether you're already booked or looking for that perfect ship, the Cruise World has you covered with ship and room tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So if you love cruising, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on. Cabin R107 is located on Deck 4, the Riviera deck, on the starboard side of the ship between the forward and mid elevators. Entering the room, we'll pass by the closets on our left and bathroom on our right, arriving in the main bedroom area. You can choose to have the beds separated or together as we have here. There are reading lights on both sides of the bed, and over here on the right there are two USB-A ports and a nightstand with storage. There's a decent-sized flat-screen TV up in the corner. And now we'll take a look at the desk and vanity area. Power options here include two more USB-A ports, two standard outlets, and one European outlet. Over here to the left, you'll find your phone and two storage shelves. And down below, there's a drawer with a hairdryer and your mini fridge. Now let's check out the closet space for the cabin. Here on the right, there's a full-length mirror on the back of the closet door. Your life jackets are up on the top shelf, and there's plenty of space for hanging clothes. Over in the left closet, there's more shelf and hanger space. And here next to the door, there are two drawers, four storage spaces, and your room safe. The back of the door features all the safety information for your cabin. And now we'll check out the bathroom. The shower has a curtain enclosure and features a clothesline as well as shampoo and soap dispensers. The sink area has very limited storage below the mirror, and over here on the right is your toilet and towel racks. This inside cabin is on the small side, but it's adequate for two guests. This room, however, is listed as a three-person room on Carnival's website, and we don't recommend putting a third guest here because the trundle or rollaway beds that they offer do not leave adequate space to move about the room safely. Thanks for checking out the Carnival Paradise Inside Stateroom R107 with us today. Paradise is a fun ship with some great destinations, and if you have any questions or you're ready to book your next cruise vacation, give us a call at the number on the screen or email thecruiseworldtravel@gmail.com. Be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on the latest cruise content. But most of all, remember, life is short and cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.